Brian P. A great price for a quick stopover on route south. Simple, clean and convenient. Affordable comfort at Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole. Welcome to Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Metz, France. With its convenient location and comfortable amenities, this hotel provides the perfect base for both business and leisure travelers. As you step into Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole, you'll be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The hotel offers 54 well-appointed rooms, ensuring that every guest has a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Each room is designed with your comfort in mind and features modern amenities, including air conditioning and free Wi-Fi. Check-in at Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole begins at 4 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and unwind after a long day of travel. The friendly and professional staff are always ready to assist you with any queries or requests you may have, ensuring a seamless check-in process. When it's time to check out, you can do so until 11 a.m., giving you plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack up your belongings at your own pace. Please note that Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole has a child policy in place. While this hotel does not allow children to stay free of charge, there may be extra charges for their accommodation. It is advisable to check with the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional charges that may apply. Whether you're visiting Metz for business or pleasure, Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole offers affordable comfort and convenience. From its well-appointed rooms to its attentive staff, this hotel strives to provide a memorable and enjoyable stay for every guest. Book your stay today and experience the charm of Metz with Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole as your home away from home. Unwind and enjoy at Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole's entertainment facilities. At Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole, guests can truly unwind and enjoy a range of entertainment facilities during their stay. Whether you're looking to relax with a refreshing drink or soak up the sun in a serene garden setting, this hotel has it all. The bar at Hotel Premier Classe Metz Technopole offers a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for socializing or enjoying a nightcap. Sit back and relax as you sip on a wide selection of beverages, including signature cocktails, fine wines, and refreshing beers. The friendly and attentive staff will ensure that your experience is nothing short of exceptional.